Hi everyone, Chef Zena here. Today we're going to make cinnamon raisin granola. For today's recipe, you will need pan spray, 8 ounces of brown sugar, half a cup of butter, 4 cups of old-fashioned oats, 4 ounces of raisins, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 2 teaspoons of salt. For tools, you will need a large mixing bowl, a sauce pot, a cutting board, a rubber spatula, a knife, a kitchen scale, dry measuring cups and spoons, a sheet pan or cookie sheet, parchment paper, or a silicone baking pad. What we want to do is come to our oven and we want to turn it on to 350 degrees. So next we want to take our measuring cup and we want to measure out 4 cups of oats. So you want to pour them in so that they're nice and straight and even, and then we just want to dump it in our bowl. And then once we have our 4 cups done, we'll move on to the next step. Next we're going to measure our salt, our cinnamon, and our vanilla, 2 teaspoons of each ingredient. Measure your dry ingredients first before wetting your spoons. Pour your ingredient into the spoon, level it off, and place in the small bowl. Measuring the dry ingredients, I put wax paper underneath so that I can pour it back into the container and so that there will be no waste. For the raisins and brown sugar, we will need to use a kitchen scale. Scales come in different kinds. Mine is a digital one. When using a scale, you must taro it out. Taroing is where it removes the actual weight of the container, so you're only getting the weight of your ingredients. Next, we're going to take our butter, remove the wrapper, and we're going to slice it into even size pieces. All of our ingredients are ready, so we are ready to begin cooking. Turn your stove onto medium-high heat. Place your pot with the brown sugar and butter onto the stove, stirring constantly. We want to continue cooking and stirring until our butter and brown sugar have completely melted. So once it gets going, it doesn't take it very long. Now that your brown sugar and butter mixture is boiling, you want to continue to boil for 1 minute without stirring. Now that our minute's over, we want to turn off our heat, and then we want to add our salt, and we want to add our cinnamon, and we want to stir that up, and it will continue to bubble. And now we're going to add our vanilla. Be careful when you add the vanilla, because when you add the vanilla, it's going to sizzle and boil. And you just want to continue stirring until everything is completely mixed. And it will foam and it'll be nice and bubbly. Now we want to take our sugar butter mixture, and we want to put that in our oats, and you just want to stir it until it's nice and all of your oats are evenly coated. Spray your parchment paper sheet pan all the way around. Place your oat mixture onto your sheet pan, and then you want to evenly spread it around using your spatula so that all of the oats are all around the pan. Place it in the oven and cook it for 7.5 minutes. Welcome back. It's been 7.5 minutes. We've removed our granola from the oven. Now we want to stir it and put it back in the oven for another 7.5 minutes. After removing the granola from the oven and allowing it to cool, place it in a bowl with the raisins and mix it until the mixture is completely mixed. Here's our cinnamon raisin granola. You can use this for yogurt parfaits, you can use it for trail mix, or you can just eat it plain.